In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Fibonacci Retracement Webull. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the tool, how to place it correctly on your chart, and how to read the levels it creates so you can spot potential areas of support and resistance with confidence. Start by opening the chart for the asset you want to analyze. Pick the symbol you're interested in and make sure the time frame aligns with your plan. For quick trades, you might use intraday time frames. For swing or longer-term ideas, look at daily or weekly charts. Clear charts make for clear decisions, so expand the chart view if you need more space. Next, locate the drawing toolbar. Depending on your layout, it's usually along the top or the side of the chart. If it's hidden, hover near the edges or look for a small icon that reveals drawing tools. You're looking for the set of tools that lets you draw lines and shapes directly on the chart. Within that toolbar, find the Fibonacci Retracement tool. It may be labeled Fibonacci Retracement or abbreviated as Fib Retracement. If there's a search box within the tools, typing Fib can help you find it quickly. Select the tool to get ready to place it. Now, click once on your chosen start point and drag to the end point of the previous move. For an uptrend, that means clicking on the swing low and dragging up to the swing high. For a downtrend, click the swing high and drag down to the swing low. You're essentially framing the most recent clear move so the tool can calculate proportionate pullback areas. Take a moment to zoom in if you need more precision and aim for the actual highs and lows of the candles rather than the bodies to capture the full move. As soon as you release the mouse, the retracement levels will automatically populate between those 2 points. You'll typically see levels like 23.6%, 38.2%, 50%, and 61.8%. These percentages mark areas where price often pauses or pivots, acting as potential support in an uptrend and potential resistance in a downtrend. If the levels look upside down or don't align with your intention, simply reverse your drag direction by starting at the opposite end of the move. You can also reposition your anchors if a clearer swing high or low becomes obvious as the chart evolves. That's all there is to it. Open your chart, find the drawing tools, choose Fibonacci Retracement, drag from the start of the move to the end, and let the levels guide your analysis. Practice on different time frames and assets to build familiarity and trust in what you're seeing.